Hello my dear friends, welcome to my new video. I am Mr. Lion, the king of the jungle. Today we are going to get know some animals of the jungle. Tiger, tigers, zebra, zebras, kangaroo, kangaroos, snake, snakes, gorilla, gorillas, leopard, leopards, jaguar, jaguars, giraffe, giraffes, monkey, monkeys, horse, horses, pig, pigs, elephant, elephants, dog, dogs, lion, lions, duck, ducks, ant, ants, tiger, tigers, zebra, zebras, kangaroo, kangaroos, snake, snakes, gorilla, gorillas, leopard, leopards, jaguar, jaguars, giraffe, giraffes, monkey, monkeys, horse, horses, pig, pigs, elephant, elephants, dog, dogs, lion, lions, duck, ducks, ant, ants. Thank you for watching. I wish you all a nice day. Can you name me more animals? Write it in the comments. Bye.